my sugary tooth in your hand. Oh, sweetness, sweetness, I was only joking when I said by right.
This week was really full of chaos and a lot of unexpected plans, but honestly I had so much fun and I'm so glad things happened the way they did. I feel like I learned a lot about myself and just about going with the flow. It's a big lesson that I've really been needing to learn. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoy this video. Just filmed my fall. But yeah, we're on our way to go to the grocery store first to get some stuff for camping. Tell us about the campsite.
It's like right along the creek. It's beautiful. It's a really big campsite, but there's a one thing that's a pain in the ass.
Oh.
Well, you have to park in the parking lot, and then you have to walk all your stuff down to the campsite.
And there's no bathroom.
And there's no bathrooms.
Oh, awesome. Well,
but like me and Pat took so many trips back and forth yesterday with all of the stuff. It was like insane.
so we're staying till Wednesday. It's Friday today. Okay, we are back in the car now. That was very hectic. But that's all our groceries back there that we just got at the store. We're here at the campsite, I guess. Ignore these freaking water shoes.
Mom, so are we walking back to the campsite?
Yep.
So we're putting stuff in there and then riding with it.
Yeah. Karina, if you can get that ice.
Bringing our stuff to the campsite. Yeah, that's stupid. You should just be able to drive on this road. You gotta like bring all your stuff. So this is the little area that we have. Our tent isn't up yet, but that's like my mom's tent and stuff. So we put all the food from there in the tent, and we are about to go back to the car to go swimming. We're gonna go paddleboarding. It's like a really long paddleboard trip or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Too bad I didn't get that.
Okay, guys, so I'm finally at like a place where I'm just like stopping to get in this bag. But we made it pretty far. But yeah, I haven't got to take any videos because it's been in this bag and I was scared to try and take my phone out, but here we are. It's like, this is so fun so far. It's like the most peaceful thing I have ever done in a while, and I'm loving it. So, it's my water, and then this is my view.
Yes, I'm sure he probably belongs to the people that live right back there. Hey, Peppers, I am taking a video, hon.
Hold your hands on to your chest and tell me what you find. Out of you a spiral comes and sees without its eyes. Don't forget who you are even though you are hurt. You are caught in wire and soon it will burst. You can cry, blink in your eyes. Do you miss the sadness when it's gone? And you let the river run long high. And you let the river run long high.
We are done. How many long was it?
Miles.
So like how many hours were we out there?
5.
Oh my gosh. We were
Oh my god.
paddling for 5 hours. See, now the sun is like going down and we started around like 2. Haven't seen that long. We're bored waiting for Pat. Hello from my tent. It is now Saturday. It's like almost 1 o'clock already. But yeah, I woke up today with a tick on my leg, so I had to pull it off, and it actually like came right off. But we had blueberry pancakes, and now we're gonna leave soon to go paddleboarding again. I'm probably not gonna record as much today because I already recorded a bunch of stuff yesterday. But later today we have a gig at some place, so for our tribute band. So I'll be singing. It's like a 3-hour show, so we're gonna get back here pretty late, and then we're just gonna go right to bed. So I'll probably record some of our gig later, but yeah, I will see you guys later. This ice cream was very good, but now I'm full.
I'm yawning!
I am waiting for them. I'm actually ahead this time. Yesterday I was behind everyone. This time I'm ahead. We're back from the paddleboard trip, or whatever the heck you want to call it. It wasn't that bad, but I'm about to get dressed for our gig tonight, so I'm probably gonna wear like a dress or something. This is my giant bag of clothes. Hey, this is my outfit for the show. We're in like a really gross bathroom right now, and it's raining outside, but we have to get ready to go to the show in the rain, and it's very echoey in here. So, how's my outfit? What do you think, Karina?
I think you're slaying your outfit. And I'm slaying mine too.
We're here now. We've been here for a while. I'm not up singing right now, but they are.
You just go wherever I am. I'll come running.
Karina's gonna take a video then when I go up for one of the songs. Right?
Winter, spring, summer, fall.
Okay. We got pizza earlier. That is not our side of the pizza. Ours was olive pizza.
It's so easy to fall in love. It's so easy to fall in love. Come gather round people wherever you roam, and admit that the water is around you and grown, and accept for yourself you're entrenched to the bone. And your time to you is worth saving, and you better start swimming or you'll sink like a stone. For the times they are a-changing.
Good morning. We slept here at Pat's house yesterday. So we just ate. I had rice pudding, and we're about to go back to the campsite soon just to see how things were. But yeah, basically it was raining a lot, and we couldn't really sleep at the campsite, so we slept here. So it kind of feels like we're not camping, but we're gonna go back today, and then I'm gonna just chill, and we might go swimming again. We're back at the campsite, but the situation is not looking good. It's been raining. Like, everything, I don't know what that was. Everything is wet, and our tent has puddles in it, and our food was in the tent and everything, so we don't really know what we're doing, but yeah. My guess is we're probably not staying till Wednesday, which is what we were originally doing. How's it going? We are both soaked. We're waiting for them to be ready to go. We are going back somewhere else. Not the campsite, because we literally...
Our whole camping trip is not going.
This vlog is not turning out how it was supposed to
That
be.
makes it interesting though.
Yeah, so camping trip gone wrong.
Yeah.
We're soaked. From the rain. Look at this stupid rain.
I like the rain, I just don't really like it right now.
Yeah, because we're trying to freaking camp.
Just smile at that.
I see the purple umbrella. They don't know. I see. They're coming.
They're coming. Is that Pat? It's probably Pat because he has the purple.
Yeah.
Like cannot get wet.
Life is feeling a little bit better. She has her
I have
music
my
in.
AirPods in.
I said life is feeling a little bit better now. We got a shower. I got a cute little outfit on. We're going for a walk. And the sun is over there setting. It's not raining anymore. So we're just gonna sleep at his house tonight. And then I think we're going to our grandparents tomorrow. So this is not really a camping vlog anymore, but hopefully you guys still want to stay along. I might still record stuff until Wednesday like I was supposed to. No, don't walk. No, stay. Pass is the wheel of fortune. So that means like
the sun and the air of a shyness that is criminally vulgar. I am son and heir of nothing in particular.
Hey guys, we are at our grandparents' now. It feels really weird. We've just been like in different places the past few days, you know, we were camping and now we're here at our grandparents' house. But tonight we're going mini golfing and we're gonna have supper first and then we're gonna go mini golfing and it's gonna be fun. And then tomorrow we're probably gonna go back to the campsite to get the rest of our stuff. And then tomorrow is also the 4th of July, so we might go see fireworks tomorrow. So I think I'm just gonna keep recording until Wednesday, so just bear with me. I don't know, I'm just gonna be doing some random stuff. It's not a camping vlog anymore, which might have been what you wanted to see, but I think it's kind of fun the way that things happened, because now it's just randomness and just going with the flow. It's kind of just showing that it's okay to just let life take you where it wants to take you. So I'll show you guys my spaghetti then. We're about to go mini golfing. This is my outfit. I'm getting on the other side. We're mini golfing. Look how nice it is. The sun is
about to say, I like my eyes in the light.
The clouds look so pretty over there and stuff. Oh, look at her. Okay.
I got it.
We're getting ice cream now. What kind did you get?
Well, the kind I always get.
Oh, tea-berry. I got tea-berry too, but also cotton candy and also salted caramel. She has to be difficult. No, it's just better. She got 3 flavors.
It's not difficult. It's
So we're gonna find out who won on the carbon.
my head against the door.
Look at this. It's tea-berry, cotton candy, and salted caramel.
woo.
Do we know who won yet?
Yep.
Who? Who?
49 or a
Who won? Who won? Who won? Who won? Who won? Who won? Who?
Happy Dawn.
Yeah.
Rose, she got the most points.
No.
Actually, Pappy John and I are tied at 50.
What?
And then I got second. Well, I got third.
There's no way I didn't beat you, Mom.
You didn't beat me.
I mean, there's no way yeah. I mean, there's no way I didn't not beat you. I can't say it right. I can't. You know what I'm trying to say.
Hi. I just finished reading this. I was reading it, like ever since near the end of school, and now it's July. It's actually July 4th today. And I finished reading this. I just finished it, and I was definitely crying at the end. But yeah, it's such a good book, and so I'm excited to keep reading more books. I literally haven't, for the longest time, I didn't read any books at all. Like, I just wasn't that kind of I wasn't a reader, you know? I like writing and stuff, but like, I never really read any books. But I've been getting into it a lot more recently. I don't know if these match, but whatever. I am soaking up some sun before I go in the pool. I was just working on my letter that I'm sending to my friend who lives in Virginia. Just got out of the pool. That was great fun. Me and Karina were jumping on the tubes, and yeah, it was fun. Now we're gonna go eat. Hey! Yummy!
Baked beans.
What's actually sweet?
What's sweet? What? Oh! What?
Want some bacon
Oh.
for you now?
I thought it was still the unsweetened tea. Guess who's in the car again?
We are.
For like the 50th hour of the week. We're going back to near where the campsite is to go on a hike.
First, we're going to Sheets.
Yeah.
To get cheap gas, apparently.
Time to go on a hike. At the end of the day, it's not that funny, is it? That could hit an orphan. You could live with the guilt of killing an orphan for the rest of your life. Oh, this looks cool. Okay, so no pretty view because there were sting nettles or whatever, like everywhere on the path. And they like sting your legs. My legs were like itching like crazy. All of ours were. So we went back because they were like everywhere. So I think we're just gonna go swim now. But I wanted to see the view. I got you.
Thank you. So beautiful.
We're about to eat our muffin. And I'm eating a cookie too. Do all once, yeah, just like make little. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. I call this one. Okay. Back at the campsite for like the 50th time. Yeah. Now we gotta go get all our stuff because it's still there. So we're gonna like be going home today, but we're also paddleboarding for 7 miles.
7 miles.
Even though we did that the first day, but we're doing that again today, and I don't really feel like it, but whatever.
I don't want to.
Neither do I. I'm just gonna chill.
I'm gonna fall asleep on my board.
If I'm way do you want to like be behind with me? Like we can just chill and just like lay down. Yeah. Oh boy. How are we feeling? We are a little bit further now, of course. I listened to like an hour-long Terrence McKenna talk while I was just on this paddleboard. It was a vibe. Just listening to all the things Terrence McKenna had to say. You know, things about nature while I'm literally surrounded by nature. It was a vibe. But now I'm just gonna be in silence for the rest of the ride. Hi, I'm back home now. The camping trip was crazy. Also, I'm literally here recording this like a month after I recorded everything, so it's really weird. It took me a very long time to finish this video. So yeah, this was like literally all the way back in summer and we already started school. And yeah, I'm a very slow editor, I guess, and I procrastinate with it. And I also wanted to like take a break from making YouTube videos, and so like, yeah, I was just getting really behind, so it's been like 2 months since I've posted anything, but I just want to say from me now, like in the present, that was all a while ago. I have 2 other videos that I made this summer that I didn't finish yet. I'm probably gonna work on those and post them, and then I'm gonna just start making new videos again, like when I feel like it. I'm not gonna take YouTube as like seriously, but I want to have fun with it, and I don't want to like give up on it completely. I want it to always be something that I can come back to. And thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. It means a lot. Whoever made it this far and watched the whole video, thank you so much. So that's it. I hope you liked this video, and let me know in the comments what you thought, and if there's any types of videos you want to see. I'm struggling to come up with ideas and stuff, so just let me know. Thank you so much. Bye.